Hello everyone, I'm Christina, and in this A-level mathematics video, we're looking at inverse functions part 2. We're mainly looking at how we sketch inverse functions. So our objectives for this video are how to sketch the graphs of inverse functions and to understand the domain and range of an inverse function, which we discussed in part 1, but we're going to write it out a bit more formally in this video. So for sketching graphs of inverse functions, if we have a function f of x, if we want to sketch its inverse, we will be sketching a reflection of our function f of x, whether that is a line or a curve, across the line of y equals x. So it's going to be a reflection in the line of y equals x. And the example we have here is with our exponential function for y equals e to the x. The inverse of our exponential is our natural logarithm, so our ln function here. And we can see that these two functions are inverses of each other on our graph, as they are reflections of each other in the line of y equals x. Okay, so if we let our e to the x function be f of x, then our ln function is our inverse of f of x, so it's our f to the minus 1 of x. Similarly, we could allow our ln function to be f of x, and that would mean our exponential function here would be its inverse. And that's going to apply for all our functions that have an inverse, and we'll do some examples in another video. Here, we're just writing out that the domain and range of an inverse function, which we discussed in the previous video, we know that these are swapped for an inverse function. So the domain of the inverse of f is the range of f, and the range of the inverse of f is the domain of f. So we discussed that in the previous video, and we're going to use this to solve some questions.